In this video, we will explore how you can modify GraphQL requests using Requestly. Requestly is available as both a Chrome extension and desktop app, so download the one that suits your needs. For this demo, let's install the Chrome extension as it is easier to work with. Once the extension is installed, you should be redirected to Requestly's dashboard. Here, go to Rules tab and click on New Rule, then select Modify Request Body. In Modify Request Body rule, you can either target a REST API or a GraphQL API. In this video, we will be working with GraphQL. For this demo, we'll be using Requestly's Playground website, which is specifically created for experimenting with different rule types. Here, open the Network tab and go to a GraphQL example to load products from GraphQL API. You will be able to see a call to GraphQL server with all the request payload. Here, go to Headers tab and copy its URL and paste it in Requestly's source condition. Now, to target the product-specific query, we will go back to our Playground website and navigate to Payload. Here in our request payload, we can see the operation name, which is equal to products. Now, to target this specific query, copy operation name and paste it in the key of GraphQL operation. Now copy the value products and paste it in the value of GraphQL operation. Now for the modified query, let's just copy and paste the existing request payload. And now modify the variable called first to limit the product list to 3. Now save the rule and head back to the Playground website and hit refresh. You should receive a notification via a Requestly pop-up confirming that the rule has been applied to the page. Additionally, the modified query will be visible in your dev tools with the product selection limited to 3. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.